Hello, my name is Callie Monville, and this is my project 2 Bulls and Cows. As you can see, I've already created database so that we have some fake data that we can create some reports for. And I'm just going to run the main Python file, which has the Bulls and Cows game within it. So I'm going to start by generating the overall report. And as you can see, in the aux and reports folder, we have some new files. In the aux, we have a bar chart of the win rate by difficulty and a scatter plot of play count versus win rate. And then in the reports folder, we have a overall report for all of the players. We have the statistics, so we have the total number of games played, the average guess count, and the amount of wins per difficulty level. I chose these statistics to show that if the average guess count was higher than the amount that you're allotted for, let's say, the hard mode, that would explain the lower number of wins for that difficulty. And then we also have these plots that were discussed previously. I chose this kind of layout so that the bar chart and the scatter plot can be pretty big and you can see all of the necessary data. So going back into the terminal, I'm going to generate a player-specific report for player A. And you can see that in the aux folder, I had it update with some new plots, and then in the reports, I have a new report. So the new plot shows a player-specific data set for the bar chart, and in the scatter plot, we have a highlighted green dot, which shows the player-specific point. That way you can see it among all these data points. And then in the report, we have the our title is now updated to show the username. We have the username-specific data points or data statistics, and we have these updated plots that were discussed. So going back into the main terminal, I'm going to show that when you play the Bulls and Cows, it'll update the overall report. So I'm going to just make my own. So I'm going to generate the overall report again. And as you can see, the total number of games was now updated from 959 to 960. And in the scatter plot, we now have a new point right here, which shows that I played once and I won once, so that was now updated. And then now I'm going to list all of the players. And you can see that I have all these players, and now that I am added to the end of this list. And now I'm going to exit.